Hi everyone, this is your interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique. Today, we're diving into the concept of recursion in C programming. Recursion simply means a function calling itself, but here's the golden rule. Every recursive function must have a base condition. Without it, your recursion becomes infinite. Check out this factorial example. When n is 0, it returns 1. That's our base condition. Otherwise, it calls itself with n minus 1. In a dry run of factorial, it expands into 5 times factorial, and so on, until it hits factorial 0. Then, it calculates back up to give us the final result. Time for a quick quiz! What does every recursive function need? A. Base condition. B. Header file only. C. Infinite loop. Or D, array. What's your pick? The correct answer is A, a base condition. Follow interview buddy Raghavi for more tech tips, and check our GitHub for the full code. Happy coding!